Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in my Allied Bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open my ABL application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here my ABL application has been opened. If you have not registered, simply tap on the option register now and you'll be able to register for your account. If you want to log into your account, you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account by providing the username and password. So simply tap on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now what you have to do is enter your password. If you've forgotten your username or password, simply tap on the field forgot username or password. After that, you'll be able to recover them. Now, after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in my Allied Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.